In the next 5 minutes, we are touring the most extraordinary machine you will ever own, the human body. From a heart that creates enough pressure to move blood around your entire system, to a brain that runs on roughly the power of a small light bulb. These are real facts hiding beneath your skin. Your heart beats about 100,000 times in a typical day. That adds up to roughly 35 million beats a year. With every squeeze, it pushes blood through a vast network of vessels, delivering oxygen and nutrients while carrying waste away. It is a fist-sized pump doing a lifetime of nonstop work. If all the blood vessels in one adult body were laid end to end, estimates put their total length near 100,000 kilometers. That is enough to circle Earth more than twice. Most are microscopic capillaries, tiny exchange points where oxygen leaves the blood and enters your tissues. Your brain is only about 2% of your body weight, yet uses roughly 20% of your resting energy. Billions of neurons maintain electrical and chemical signals, even while you sleep. The brain's activity is not a single computer program. It is an ever-changing conversation across immense networks. The surface of your skin is a renewal project. New cells form deeper down, migrate upward, flatten, and eventually shed. Over several weeks, much of the outer layer is replaced. That durable barrier helps keep water in, blocks many invaders, senses the world, and helps control temperature. A skeleton may look like a rigid frame, but bone is alive. Specialized cells continuously break down old material and rebuild it. This remodeling repairs tiny damage and adapts bone to stress. Bone also stores minerals, protects organs, and houses marrow where many blood cells are produced. Stomach acid can be extremely acidic, helping unfold proteins and control swallowed microbes. So why does the stomach not digest itself? A mucus-rich barrier, bicarbonate, tight cell connections, and rapid repair protect its lining. When those defenses are disrupted, irritation or ulcers can develop. Your liver performs hundreds of jobs. It processes nutrients, stores energy, makes bile, builds important blood proteins, and transforms many drugs and toxins so they can be removed. It also has a remarkable ability to regrow lost mass, although repeated damage can overwhelm that capacity. Inside your lungs, airways branch again and again until they reach millions of tiny air sacs called alveoli. Their combined surface area is enormous, commonly estimated around the size of a small apartment. This thin, folded interface lets oxygen enter the blood and carbon dioxide leave it quickly. Each eye has a spot where the optic nerve exits the retina. There are no light-detecting cells there, so every eye has a small blind spot. You rarely notice because the brain combines information from both eyes and intelligently fills in the missing region using the surrounding scene. What we call flavor is a team effort. Taste receptors detect basic qualities, while smell contributes a huge share of the detail. Temperature, texture, irritation, memory, and expectation also matter. That is why food can seem strangely bland when your nose is blocked during a cold. Trillions of microorganisms live on and inside you, especially in the gut. Together, they form communities called the microbiome. Many help digest food components, produce useful molecules, and interact with the immune system. The exact community differs from person to person and changes with diet, age, medicine, and environment. The discs between your spinal bones contain water and act like cushions. During the day, gravity and movement gently compress them. While you lie down at night, they rehydrate and expand. The difference is small, often around a centimeter or so, but it means morning you can be taller than evening you. Goosebumps happen when tiny muscles pull hair follicles upright. In furry ancestors, raised hair could trap insulating air or make the animal appear larger. On modern humans, the effect is mostly a visible leftover triggered by cold or strong emotion through the automatic nervous system. Sleep is not simply the brain switching off. It cycles through distinct stages that support learning, memory, emotional regulation, and physical repair. Research also suggests fluid flow around brain cells changes during sleep, helping clear metabolic waste. Consistent sleep is active biological maintenance. The deepest fact is that your body is not one thing. It is tens of trillions of human cells, plus vast microbial communities, coordinated by electrical signals, hormones, pressure, chemistry, and time. Every breath and heartbeat is a negotiation that keeps the whole system in balance. Which fact surprised you most? Share in the comments, and subscribe for more short journeys into science. Your body is working through every second of this video, performing thousands of coordinated actions without asking for your attention. That may be the most fascinating fact of all.